In this video, I will show you how to get your code from Lovable. So step number 1 is to just open up Lovable and go to the project you want to get your code from. For example, I'll take this one. Now in the top right, you will find the GitHub logo right here. So just click GitHub and then click Connect GitHub. Then from there again, click on Connect GitHub. Now you may already have done this, but from here just sign into your GitHub account or create one if you don't have a GitHub account. Then from there, you just need to authorize Lovable. So click authorize lovable.dev and then you will be redirected. Now here you can link your workspace to GitHub. So click add organizations. And then on GitHub, you want to click install and authorize. Then again, they will redirect you back and now you will have your GitHub organization and it should be connected. Now click continue and then click on connect. So now you can confirm transfer to set up two-way sync, meaning you are moving the only instance of this project to your GitHub organization. This means the project will now live in your GitHub and must remain there to keep syncing with Lovable. You can continue editing your project in Lovable as long as access to the GitHub repository remains. So just make sure not to delete the project on your GitHub account and also don't delete your GitHub account. But now you can see a GitHub repository is now under your account and you can click view. That will then take you to that repository, and this right here is all the code that is inside of your Lovable project. So if we just click on a section here, you can find that the code will be in here. So now you have the code in GitHub, which may be enough for you, but if you actually want to have it as a download, for example, you can click on the code drop down here and then you have your local. And then what you can do first, you can share it with this URL, but what you can also do is download it as zip. And now I have a zip file right here with all of the code. So if I just open it up, you can see right here, this is all the code from my Lovable project. Now if I now make an update in Lovable, this right here won't change, but my GitHub project will. So now you know how to get your code from Lovable. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.